Hi everyone, I'm Abby from Senken Group. Senken is a supplier of warning products and safety equipment with 32 years of experience to manufacture emergency warning products in China mainland, relying on high quality, best price and excellent service. Senken has occupied 95% shares in domestic market for motorcycle products. Today, I will introduce a set of brand new equipment designed for police motorcycle for patrolling. This is a front light LTE 2115 in 115-degree wide-angle beam for unmatched roadside visibility. Voltage is DC 10 to 13 volt. Dual-layer high-power LED. It has 8 pieces 3-watt LED. It adopts aluminum alloy base and polycarbonate lens, so don't worry about heat dissipation function. Normally, it is sold in one pair both in red or blue, and we can also make them in amber or white or other special color. And this is our real light LTG 2125. Adopt aluminum alloy base and PC lens. It has 18 pieces 3-watt LED and can be made in dual color or single color. Up layer and lower layer can do red, blue, amber, and other color. Master is extendable, so you can adjust the height to whatever you want. The rear light is with 3 output power supply to control together with front lights. Then the flashing frequency can be signals. Rotating or flashing is our standard flashing patterns. The whole set includes audio device, our speak YD1527, made of aluminum alloy high-strength housing, smallest and lightweight. Powerful output 15 watts. Sound compression level can reach 119 dB. You can imagine the sound. With this set of signal equipment in your motorcycle, you will definitely be noticed on the road. If you are interested in our products, please kindly feel free to contact us. Thank you. Bye-bye.